Welcome back to Learn English with Alison. My name is Justine and I am the English Vertical Manager here at Alison. Today we are going to learn about adverbs. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes adjectives, verbs, and other adverbs. Not sure what an adjective is? Check out this other video for more information. English has a lot of adverbs. Some of the most common ones are very, really, and so. Adverbs always go before the words they describe. Let's look at some examples with adjectives. Sam is tired. Tired is an adjective that describes the noun Sam. Let's add very before tired. Sam is very tired. The adverb very describes the adjective tired. This means Sam is more tired than normal. Really and very have the same meaning. Sam is really tired. This also means Sam is more tired than normal. So has a stronger meaning than really and very. Sam is so tired. This means Sam is more tired than very tired. Be careful, you cannot use the adverb so after the verb have or has. Let's look at an example. Oscar has a big house. Big is an adjective that describes house. Oscar has a very big house. Correct. Oscar has a really big house. Correct. Oscar has a so big house. Incorrect. Let's test your knowledge of adverbs with a 3-question quiz. I will say a sentence and you need to choose the correct adverb or adverbs to complete the sentence. Ready? Mark is tall. Mark is very tall. Mark is really tall. Mark is so tall. You can use all 3 adverbs to describe the adjective tall. You have a beautiful garden. You have a very beautiful garden. You have a really beautiful garden. Remember, you cannot use so after the verb have. Harry Potter is a book. Harry Potter is a book. Remember, adverbs only describe other adverbs, verbs, and adjectives. Book is a noun, so we cannot use an adverb here. Great work today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all of Alison's English language learning videos, and also check out the link in the description for more English language resources to improve your skills. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!